What's up guys? Right, today it is bike check day. I'm going to run you through every single little bit of my bike so you guys know exactly what I'm running, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at Sam's bike and we're going to see what he's running. This is great though guys, even though our bikes look similar, the way we set things up, we've got totally different styles and ride our bikes real different. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to start off on my bike and here we go. We will start from the top and work our way down on this total BMX machine, okay? So first off, starting here with these handlebars, we have got the cardboard lock bars. We ride to total. They are the Killer Bee V2 bars, and guys, they are beautiful. At home though, I've got the Webby Show bars. They're about to go on once I do the spray job and get that khaki green going on, because that is the colour you guys voted, and thankfully enough, I love that colour. I love khaki, and that was the colour I was thinking before it even came up in the comments. So great work on that, guys. Moving down there, we've got the Total Team stem. Yeah, again, it's a great stem. I think it's the Total Team stem. They've only got one stem out right now. They may have a front loader as well, but who knows? You have to go on the website and check that out, totalbmx.com. Fantastic. Then working our way down, guys, on these lovely set of forks. Look at that. Naughty. Right, guys, they are the Ghetto Shed forks, the Total ones right there. The new ones just came out yet again though. They've been replaced with the Webby Show forks. Similar kind of thing, but get the new stuff because you are going to be flying on it, okay? Then moving on to the frame. This is the 21-inch V2 Voltron frame. This is Mark Webb's signature frame, and it's great. Any trick you guys want to do, the back end's nice and short on it. Got a nice bit of length on the top tube there, because I'm a little bit taller. I'm like 5'11", so I've got a nice bit of size there to work around. And guys, I love it. I can't get enough of the frame. It's fantastic. All right. Oh, yeah. Look at this little headset thing here. Look at that. Nice bit of rainbow action there. You know, just to add a little colour. Just want to add that colour on the bike there. Oh, look here, guys. Check this one out. Rainbow top cap. All these little extras, guys, make the bike pop a little bit more, make it look a little bit more fancy. That is what I'm all about, okay? Right, we've got the new TWS camouflage seat. Now, this is what inspired the khaki, guys. I think it's khaki, whatever colour you want to call it, khaki green. I was like, here we go. You guys want it as well? So we're going green. Nice comfortable seat though, already got the seat post built into it, so it is fantastic. Guys, wouldn't change it for the world. Great seat. We're moving down to the cranks. Here we go, sprocket. But guys, we've got the Profile Racing cranks right there. 175mm, I like that extra bit of length. I know some of you guys now running the shorter cranks. That ain't really my style, but that's okay. I've got so used to them, I get a nice push off. Takes a little bit longer to get going, but once you get going, that speed starts coming straight away. And there's some great engineering there from Profile Racing, and I've rode them cranks on every single bike for the last 15 years. Wouldn't change them. I did snap a brand which I won't mention on one of my friend's bikes. We know who that is. And yeah, jumped off a bench, I snapped, nearly head back to the front of the car. Just trying to get freestyle off a little bench. You know what I mean, guys? But so you know what? We learned our lesson. Stick with the Profile Racing cranks right there, okay? Oh, here we go. Before we move on, got the Total sprocket. 28 tooth, fantastic. Boom, great gearing, 9 tooth on the back. Can't beat it, guys, you know? What we're gonna do now is, we're gonna move on to these wheels, okay? What we've got there is on the back, we have got the Profile Elite hub in matte black. We've got the Total Tech spokes in black, and we've got the Primo VS rim. And I can tell you what, guys, that is a beautiful looking wheel right there. It is fast as well. Can't go no faster, okay? The only person that can go faster with a different hub is Connor Fields. He just won the gold medal in the Olympics in Rio last year. I raced him, he beat me. Don't know what was going on there. Could be his legs though. I think he's got a bit more muscle than me. But anyway, that's the only person that's gonna beat you on these hubs, Connor Fields. Then moving on to the front there, guys. Same thing, we've got the Profile Elite hub on the front, same spokes and same rim. Then moving on to the front there, guys. Same thing, we've got the Profile Elite hub on the front, same spokes and same rim. And here we go. We've got these Federal plastic pegs. I'm gonna let you know something, guys. If you want to slide, get these pegs. These pegs are fast. You're not going to get stuck on anything. You can grind anything you want. It's fantastic. I can't believe it. Did a little grind a day, nearly came off the back end with the speed. Shouldn't have happened. Any other peg, you'd have stopped dead. Didn't need wax or anything. So guys, get the federal pegs. I like to run 3 because I actually use the left side peg because I have 2 tricks I use it for, and that's 270 Smith and 1 out of 15 the whiplash on the ground. So fantastic. It's the only trick I've never been able to pull once I've learned it every time. So anyway guys, that is pretty good. Oh, here we go. Oh, nearly forgot. Let's not forget federal pedals on there, guys. Fantastic. Always run them plastics. The metal pedal hits you in the shin, it is brown bread. I tell you what, your shin's done for. Blood everywhere. It ain't no good, and it ain't a good sight either. And then, oops, here we go. Look, got them federal grips. Guys, this is a 3-player sway here. We've got total, federal, or profile, and it's all engineered great. A great bit of rubber there to hold on to when in need. No slip if you've got a slippery hand or, you know, bit of a sweat issue. It's fantastic. And you know what, guys? Oh, and last but not least, we can't get anywhere without one of these. The chain. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what chain that is. I think it's KMC. Ronnie Remo gave me 3 of them, so I've just been using that. It's fantastic. Ain't had no issues with any of them so far. So you know what? If you don't like a half-link chain, get the KMC. Ain't gonna let you down. But anyway, I know I've talked quite a bit there, guys. I've talked for about 8 minutes, non-stop. But what we're gonna do is now, we're gonna move over to Sam's bike, and Sam's gonna run us through exactly what he's running. Like I said, guys, a little bit of a different setup, but looks fantastic, you know. Anyway, let's move over to Sam. Here we go. Sam, how you doing today?
Yeah, not bad, Ron. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm all right. Done a bit too much talking here. You know what I mean?
Good at that, yeah.
I thought I'd do try.
Where we want to start? Where do you want to start?
Where do you want to start? You tell me. What's your favourite part on the bike?
I think we'll start from the rubber. Go up.
Let's start from them. All tyres. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, here we go. Demolition somethings. Demolition Momentums. I don't even know what tyres I got on the bike right there. Sam had to let me know what tyres I'm running. Here we go. Right. Sam's going to start on his tyres. He's going to start us off right there now.
We've got Federal Response 2.35 front and back in the khaki tan with black sideboards.
That is a nice. That's nice colour.
They're very fast tyres. Slide well. Obviously they've got slide wall technology built in.
Okay.
So when you're grinding.
Oh, it slides along with it.
Yeah, it slides along with it.
Oh,
No
fantastic!
problem.
Look at that. You put the tyres on as well. Put the federal tyres on. You're grinding even faster than what I'm grinding. I didn't think that was possible. Right. Anyway. Right.
I think we're going to pick up on something here as well, Ron, when we're going through this.
I think we are.
Back wheel. We've got the Federal Stance XL rim,
Yep.
the complete, laced to the Federal Free Coaster V3 with the Federal Free Coaster hub guards.
Yep.
Both sides, 4 pegs you've got to go for, haven't you?
Well, yeah. I'm 3. You're 4.
Yeah, you know.
Treat yourself to an extra.
Good. Yeah.
Nice and tight spokes there, guys.
Yeah.
You ping that. I can't even do it. Yeah. Look at that.
There you go.
You know when it makes that noise. So you've done your spokes right. I ain't. Look here. Look, a bit loose. Got to tighten them up later.
For the front, again, we got the Federal Stance XL.
Yep.
Laced to the Federal Stance front hub, Federal Stance hub guards as well. Then we got Federal Stance, Federal double butted spokes on the back.
Nice.
We'll move to the middle. Oh, let's get these round so you can see. And we got the Federal 24mm voice cranks.
Yep.
With the Federal voice bottom bracket, comes built with it. You know,
Yep.
easy, can't go wrong. The Federal BBS solid sprocket in a 25 tooth.
Did that just come out? Is that new on the market?
That is, this colourway with
Yep.
the silver etching is quite new.
Okay.
Before they did it all black or all polished.
Yep.
So
Fantastic.
I had the normal Federal BBS before, sort of warped it a bit with the old 180 crooked grinds.
Happens to the best of us.
One of them things.
What chain you got?
I believe it's an E-clap. I don't know.
Guys, both of us don't even know what chains we've got on our bikes really. It's one of them things, they all seem to do the same sort of thing nowadays, don't they, Sam?
Yeah.
You know, so, you know. Anyway, right, moving on.
Another Federal part.
Federal pedals.
We've got the Federal pedals, same as you, Ron.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think mine are-
Well, probably the best pedal on the market, I would say, wouldn't you?
Easily. I mean, they're bold pretty much, and I'm still gripping and
Do you
my shreds.
pedal grinds?
Yeah, occasionally.
Okay, nice, well there you go.
You know.
I'm still holding up to the temptation of the rails, you know guys? Right.
Seat post.
Yep.
I couldn't tell you. I've had this for possibly 6, maybe 7 years now.
It looks like a federal one to me.
I think it might be.
Yeah, okay.
I think someone did say it was.
Okay.
And then we got the federal camo mid-seat.
Both got camo seats
Camo
on here.
seats. Can't go wrong with a camo seat.
You can't. And do you know what? Sam's got the right colour here on this frame.
Khaki tan.
Khaki tan. Is that khaki?
Yeah, well they called it khaki tan on the tin.
So, it was not called that on the tin.
It was
What was that called on the tin?
straw flower.
Straw flower.
Straw flower.
Sam has got straw flower parts on his bike here, guys. Straw flower colours. What a colour. I'm not going to lie though, I'd like that colour. I'm very jealous right now.
We'll move on to that then.
Yeah.
This is the Federal collab with WBMX chiller frame
Okay.
in a 21.
Yep.
Unfortunately, it was the only size I could get.
Do you like the 21?
I'm more of a 20.8 sort of guy, but I've not had any problems with it. You know, it's got a nice short back end, 13-inch slams.
Cool. I mean, it does what it says on the tin. What forks we running here?
Federal drop V2s, I believe.
Okay.
They've seen about 10 matte black rattle can jobs now.
Yep. They look it as well, Bill, for you, Sam. Yeah, look at that. You know.
We've got a bit of rust coming in there.
Cool. Yeah, well, do you know what?
Coming.
Maybe another little spray coming up soon, you know?
Definitely. I've got a can at home.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Federal headset.
Federal headset.
Federal headset.
We're running high quality products here. This sort of stuff, you put the bike together once, you don't got to take it apart till you need a new bike. That's what I think anyway. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
That's what I do. Only comes apart if it's going on an airplane.
We've got the Federal Mark Love signature stem.
Mark Love, okay.
Mark Love in 52 with the black polished.
That is nice. I like that. Look at that, guys. Look at that fade we've got right there. Ready? That is something else.
Federal drop V2s.
Yep.
In a 9.5 rise. I think they're cut down to 29 at the minute from the 29.5. But I think they're going to go even smaller, probably go to about 28.
Nice. I'm 28. Mine are cut down to 28, they're coming 29. I cut mine down as well, half inch off either side. Just makes it a little bit easier doing bar spins, doesn't it? Even though every time I've done a bar spin on the channel, like now, it's the handlebars or something like that. But it should be easier.
Then we're up to
the grips.
The grips.
So they're the same grip of mine.
Same as yours.
But flangeless.
Flangeless.
There you go, guys. You can get any, if you want flanges or flangeless, so you've got your options there. Check out the old Federal website, see what's going on there. It'd be fantastic for you guys. You could get one of each if you wanted. Pegs.
Exactly the same as Ronnie. You can't really tell because they're all scratched off, but we're running 4 Federal plastic pegs.
Yep.
They've lasted about a year now.
You've had a good year on them pegs then? Okay.
So I think it's time to change up sleeves now though.
I fancy a new peg, I'll treat myself to some new ones. If you don't want to change out the whole peg, all you do is slide the plastic off. How much does that cost you? It's like a fraction of the price. Five for a peg, 5 for a sleeve. You know, guys, so that's a fantastic way to keep your pegs looking fresh. They're going to go from this to this. Mine will probably stay like that, to be honest with you, because I'm going to be doing grinding like that. But anyway, this is fantastic. We've got 2 fantastic bikes right here. And I've got a question to ask you though, Sam. Why Federal?
I think, you know, my favourite riders are sort of Lacey, Churchill. You watch them, they go massive, they go hard, nothing ever breaks. And I thought, you know, I'll have me a bit of that. I ain't gonna want to spend 300 quid on a snapper frame.
No.
You know, something that's gonna last me, it's gonna do the job.
Well, it has done the job.
Yeah, it's done the job.
If you guys see from the previous videos, Sam likes to crash. He's had a few crashes in there. I don't know, no, he crashed like it. Do you know what, guys? He pulled out great, and he's here again today. Look, he's walking just fine. So everything's great there. But anyway, guys, that is our bikes. You know, like I said. Oh, because like then he has the free coaster, guys. Remember, he doesn't have to pedal backwards when he's going backwards. Obviously, with that elite hub, I have to pedal backwards. So you've always got the varieties there of what you want. If you don't want to pedal when you go backwards, but you do get a bit of play in the front. So
okay, we got
seats.
Sort of. I think I've set mine to about. I think it's about between 1/4 and 1/8 of a crank.
Okay.
I think that can go all the way back to almost half a crank.
So you can really adjust it out. I'm not going to lie about it. Yeah. Look at that. Ain't got no play there at all. The only bit of play I got is because I got a loose chain. That's the international bad boy, and Fakey Sam is running. And you guys got any questions, you leave them comments for us and we're going to answer back. Try to do the best to get back to all you guys. We do read all the comments. Sometimes it's tough to get back to everyone, But you know, if you want any links or you want any more info, just try to hit us up and we'll try to get back to you. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the bike check and we'll see you on the next episode.